let's create the columns. So click the box button, and at the top viewport click and drag to create a box whose dimensions are 0.35, sorry, and width 0.35 and height 14. And then you want to position this box. So click the snap toggle, and with right mouse click uncheck the grid points. Make sure that the vertex is checked only, and then close the grid and snap settings. And then click the select and move tool and move it. As we can see in the perspective view, the whole object is positioned accurately. Now we want to rename it column. Okay, open the material editor and select the wood old, assign it to the column. Okay, close the material editor. Now we want to clone this column. So click the shift key on your keyboard while the snap toggle is still on and the select and move tool is clicked. Observe the blue crosshairs on the vertex you want to snap. Move it, and it is snapped already in its right position. Make sure that the instance radio button is on, because whenever you want to make any change in one column, you want the other column to follow. And then click the OK button. Okay, turn off the snaps toggle in the toolbar, and then in the left view just zoom in and make sure that you are in the create geometry. Click the box button, and in the left viewport just click and drag to create a box whose dimensions are the length 0.35, width 7, and the height 0.35. Now we need to reposition this box, so click the select and move tool and right mouse click the spinner next to the Y value to turn it to 0. Now we need to adjust the Z and the X value. So the best thing to do is to align it with the lower bar. So right mouse click to make the perspective view the current view. Click the align button. Click the lower bar and then actually we need the X and Z positions to be aligned. Actually we need the maximum of this newly created box to be aligned with the minimum part of this lower bar. So I think this is okay. It is, if you just look closer, and if we maximize the perspective view, we can see that it is properly aligned. Okay, now we need to rename this newly created box, so change its name to support horizontal. Click the material editor button in the toolbar and select the wood old material and click the assign button to assign it to the support horizontal object. Then close the material editor. Now we need to clone it, so in the top viewport just click the select and move tool and then press the shift key on your keyboard to clone in the X direction. Keep the instance radio button turned on and click the OK button. Now we need to align it with the column 01 object. So make sure that support horizontal 01 is selected and you are in the perspective view. Click the align button and click the column 01 object. And now we need to uncheck the Z position because actually we want to align it in the X position, and we need the minimum of the support horizontal 0, 1 to be aligned with the maximum of the column 0, 1, and then click OK. If you just come closer, yes, it is right positioned. Okay, let's continue. Okay, select the support horizontal object. Click the Select and Rotate tool. And in the left viewport, just zoom in. And then press the Shift key on your keyboard while rotating. Rotate it minus 30 degrees. And then click the Copy Radio button because you want to make a completely separate object. And then rename the newly created object Support Diagonal. Okay.